is called ADENIJI. I'm the MD/CEO of NIJI Group. We call ourselves agricultural value chain. Majorly what we do is that we provide a solution to some of the agricultural problems. When I started farming, I realized that we don't really have good tractors. And some of the tractors we have are either cloned. Some of the tractors are not cloned are too expensive, and they are not even, the initial design was not for Africa or for Nigeria. So I went to India to partner with Sonalika, that they can actually design a machine that will be adaptable to our own environment. We build the machine in India, we bring it in CKD to Nigeria, so we're able to assemble it in Nigeria. So we provide job for a lot of mechanics on training them on how to assemble. We'll be able to understudy the component of the tractors put together. This project is financed by a bank for Tooan. I only use my own expertise to make sure that I get a good tractor assembled and give a kind of after sales and backup maintenance for them.
Today is history in the life of Tooan, that is Tractor Owners and Operators Association of Nigeria. Courtesy our very good friend NIJI Tractors. We are here to celebrate the launching of 50 tractors that have been delivered to us by NIJI, which was funded by BOI and is going to be managed by First City Monument Bank. We are happy that 50 of our members will become tractor owners today. Getting these tractors have been a lot of challenges, both for NIJI and for us, Tooan. But NIJI went off his way to make sure that these tractors are on ground. The tractor is very high quality tractor. Sonalika is one of the largest tractor manufacturing countries in the world. My members made a very good choice by choosing Sonalika.